Welcome to Tommy's Great Outdoors. My name is Heather. I am the better half of Tommy. So I'm going to be coming along and giving you my opinion of the southeast Wisconsin camping grounds that we come across. And this is going to be our first one. We are at Happy Acres Campground in Bristol, Wisconsin. And we have been to the site multiple times. And this is my review of it. Hi all, here at Happy Acres they do have quite a few amenities. They have playgrounds, multiple ones. They have laundry, basketball, dog park, volleyball, swimming. They have an awesome beach on a pond that you can also fish at, and you do not need a fishing license because it is a private lake. So they also have tractor rides where they will load up kids and adults and go around the property and show you everything that they have as well. They also have mini golf where you can rent the balls and clubs up at the shop so you can play mini golf at your leisure. They also have an awesome snack shop and a little store if you did forget something that you needed to get. And they have a pool behind the store, and they also have showers in this area. They also have cornhole that you can play, and there's the basketball hoops, and this is also the location of where you're going to dump your RV at the end of your stay. So for amenities, we have 21 out of 30. So this one didn't have an obstacle course, so we gave it an 8 out of 10. The playgrounds and sports areas got a 5 out of 10 because they need updating. We gave family activities area an 8 out of 10 because we really liked the ice cream socials, karaoke, and all the different family activities. Okay, so here is the Happy Acres map. You've got all of these sites that are in the salmon color are power and water. These ones are more grassy and hilly. These ones have more tree cover and a little less grass. Here are the bathrooms. I'm going to show you what a normal campsite looks like at Happy Acres. So at any site you're just going to have for a week or a weekend, you are only going to have power and water. They do not do full hookups here unless you're seasonal or a permanent site. So here at Happy Acres we have the advantage of booking multiple sites together at the same location so we can all enjoy each other's company and be across from a park, not be able to have to worry about the kids from morning until night. So most sites in this area have a lot of dirt and not so much grass. So when we have a wetter season like we have, you get mud. So we gave the campsites a 23 out of 30. We really liked the site size, the layouts, the grass tree cover, the fire rings. You just have to be careful what site you get because you might get some mud if it rains. My husband thinks it's really easy to pull the camper in and out and that there's parking enough for 2 vehicles. So the only bummer here is the utilities / hookups. I'm a girl that likes full hookups. They do not offer full hookups here. They do for an additional fee will come to your campsite and empty your sewage out, but I don't like paying an additional fee. So around this section, this is the playground you would use. Most of the sites are in their 20s, so if that's the sites you're looking for. And that's a really nice bathroom, men's and women's. There's about 2 stalls in those bathrooms. But this is a really nice playground. It has stone bottom, so the kids really won't hurt themselves if they fall. The facilities are 28 out of 30. The bathrooms have been updated and some of the outhouses have showers. The camp store has a wide variety of items that you could possibly need for your stay at Happy Acres. They offer hot food, cold food, drinks, and ice cream. The garbage collection is really nice because it is picked up at your site 2 or 3 times a day. Booking is 25 out of 30. Booking is so easy now that they've updated their website and you can do it right online. So their pricing is included with 2 adults and 3 children. So if you're like us and you have 2 adults and 2 adult children, you're going to be paying extra. For the final score, it's 97 out of 120, which is a solid 4 stars. I hope you liked the review of Happy Acres Campground here in Bristol, Wisconsin. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.